Friends and faculty, students and staff, trustees, honored guests, and devoted alumni, it is the thrill of a lifetime to stand before you today. Leading Yale is an honor without parallel. Growing up in Knoxville, Tennessee, and born before Yale accepted women as undergraduates, I never considered that Yale might be a place for someone like me. But I arrived here in this schoolhouse. I found the gift of education. And so I returned to the question I asked of myself: how do we lead Yale into the future? With the headwinds we face today, how do we move forward? We do it by reminding ourselves of a simple truth about this place we love. It is a place that can belong to anyone. It is sacred, and it endures as the finest institution of higher learning in the world. Most of all, I believe that Yale's future is even brighter than our past, because woven in the briar before us, I see extraordinary opportunities that fill me with optimism and hope. Thank you for the honor of building that future alongside you.